babes, it's me, Shannon B for BrownGirlBella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and then don't forget to tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload. So today I have a haul for you all. This haul is from Beautylish. I got a bunch of packages in the mail this week, and so I decided to open them up and share it with you all. So if you want to see what I got, just stay right here. BrownGirlBella. Okay, so I went a little crazy, and then I just put another order in because the new Natasha Denona minis, you know I'm a sucker for her minis, for Valentine's Day is coming out, and she's doing a limited edition release of them, and it comes with, I believe, a rose gold brush. It's synthetic fibers, but it's rose gold, so you know I had to get it, right? So when that comes, I'll be sure to come back and do a tutorial using that palette. But first, let's look inside my three Beautylish boxes and see what it is that I got. So I'm going to open the first one, which is the smallest one. There's the Beautylish box, and then inside the box they wrap everything really nicely. So I think I told you all, or if I didn't, I'm telling you now, I did get the new Beautiful Skin. This is called Beautiful Skin Foundation for your best healthy looking skin all day, every day. And so I got the number 13 Warm Chud, and I have to tell you, I have the same color in her other formulation. Hold please. Oh, in her Airbrush Flawless Foundation, I am 12.5 Warm Chud in this as well. So I'm definitely going to put these side by side and see if there's any color difference, is there any coverage. You know, I'm gonna let her rock. That was Brooklyn. I'm gonna let her rock because yesterday was her birthday. Hopefully you all saw the live with her pretty dress on. She was so cute. And so I'm gonna let her rock today with that twinkling around, because she know when I'm filming she's supposed to be quiet, but she never is. She never is, y'all. But I will do a dedicated video on this. And then I got some other stuff that they wrapped really tightly. So let me grab my scissors. They're pink too. Everything pink on this channel, or rose gold. You know I love rose gold. Alright, so wrapped up very nicely. I have to admit, when I go to Beautylish to get my beauty supplies and makeup products, they really do a good job in packaging. So the first thing I got is an oldie, but a goodie. This is Mink Mirage by Tom Ford. Now, yes, it's been out for a very long time, and I just never, like, every time I go to pick it up, something else happens and I end up not picking it up. And then it was sold out for a long time. So when I saw it come up on the Beautylish site, I was like, yeah, let me grab it. So these are the colors. Very much neutral, everyday palette. You can just put it on. You can do a one color and just go, or you know, you can layer them up and do really cool things with it. I love these kind of neutral palettes, and I wanted this one for a while, so I treated myself to getting one. So I got that. And then couldn't resist, because I do need a new one. I have been using, as you know, my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish, which has cracked, and I've been using all those little pieces like crazy. But she came out with a special packaging for the Lunar New Year. As you all know who follow the Chinese zodiac, this is the year of the tiger. And my grandson, who was just born, is born under the year of the tiger. So had to get this. So this is her limited edition compact. And she changed the color on me as well. This is the number 4 deep fonts, and I think before it was number 3 deep fonts. So I got that. And then they also sent me some samples. So I will show you what samples I got. Sometimes they send samples, sometimes they don't. That's the only thing that, you know, kind of bothers me about Beautylish sometimes, is that they're kind of inconsistent with their samples. So this is the R&Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. It's a do-it-all duo that gives you everything you need for perfect hair, body, shine, strength, softness, and a silky smooth feel. You're supposed to spread a quarter-size amount of shampoo through your hair, rinse, and then apply the conditioner mid-length and work through from roots to ends. So that's the free gift that I got. Alright, so that's one box down. Let's go into the next box. The next box is short and sweet, because I think they only gave me the product. I don't think they gave me... Oh, yes, they did. Oh. They did give me samples. Okay. Well, a sample. So I got... move this box down. So I got the new Sonia G brush. This is one of her latest brushes. This is so pretty. This is called the Inishi Pro, or Ninishi. I have to figure out how to pronounce this. But I love this brush. It is so smooth. And I thought that I would get it for like carving out my bronzer for my cheeks, but you can probably use this all over. I have to wash my brushes anyway, so I'm gonna put it in the pile to wash. And once it blooms out and it's really full, I'll do a demonstration of it. So I'm gonna wash it tonight so I can probably do something tomorrow with my look. Okay. And then from Danessa Myricks, I have a sample of her Vision Cream Cover. Now, I'm very excited about this because I always wanted to try this. So it gave me a couple of different samples to try, blister packets. I would say I'm probably in this category right here, either of these two. Probably this one might be a little too warm, but we'll see. Maybe I will try it tomorrow. And now, lastly, this box. This box is from Good Molecules. So Good Molecules, I got a bunch of stuff because I needed to re-up on some of my skincare that I love from them. And then there was this essence that I really wanted to try. So I got the discoloration correcting serum. This will help anti-aging, depigmentation, and it helps achieve a naturally even skin tone by delivering tranexamic acid into deeper layers of the skin. You can use this at morning or at night. In the morning or at night, excuse me. And let me open up the bottle so you can see. Let me open up the box so you can see. So this is what the serum looks like. Now, I already have the niacinamide serum, which I frankly needed to re-up on that too because I'm almost out, but I wanted to try this. So I think I'll try it solo and see if it works. And if it does, then I will get the other one as well. I did get the niacinamide brightening toner. I love this toner. This is one of my favorites. It's been in my monthly favorites for quite a while. And then this one is new by Good Molecules. This is the hyaluronic acid boosting essence. Now, this is formulated to promote the skin's ability to retain moisture, which is what hyaluronic acid does. Oh, I know, I'm terrible because I'm so sick of saying hyaluronic acid. You guys know this is great for retaining moisture in your skin. Very much needed, as now it is the winter months and you're losing a lot of moisture in your skin because you're in dry heat most of the day. Especially if you work from home like myself, you're in the heat all the time. So got this. I'm gonna see if it works better than my Tatcha. We'll see. I actually did order the Tatcha as well, so we'll see when that comes and we will do a side-by-side comparison. And then the sample that I got for this box is First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. This is actually right on time as I have my braids in, and sometimes between washes I like to refresh it. So this is good. Okay, so that is everything that I got in my box from Beautylish. Hope you enjoyed this mini haul from me and Beautylish. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. It really helps this channel out a lot. And until I see you back here again, you have now been Bellafied. Take over, take over,